Hey Robinhood investors, ready to cash out your gains and transfer money from Robinhood to your bank, whether it's stock sales or crypto profits? Withdrawing is very simple. So guys, open the Robinhood app or go to the robinhood.com and log in. Tap the account icon on the top right over here. And guys, in here you will find your transfer section. As you can see, this is just my dummy account, so I don't have the transfer section because I don't have my bank account connected to the account, but in here you will have your transfers tab, and in here you will see your withdrawable cash amount. Funds from stock or crypto sales take 1 to 2 days to settle, and deposits take up to 5 days. If you see $0 withdrawable, wait for settlement or cancel pending orders. I tried withdrawing unsettled. After that, guys, in transfers, tap transfer to your account and bank. Select your linked bank account or debit card. Then enter the amount. Minimum is $0.01. Choose standard or instant. They vary in fees. Review details and tap transfer. If you're withdrawing to a new bank, link it first with a deposit. After that, you can check your history in the accounts menu for a pending status. Standard transfers take 2 to 5 days. Instant ones hit within minutes. You can't cancel instant transfers, but standard ones can be cancelled before cut-off times. If funds don't arrive, ensure no account restrictions and contact support at the corresponding sites. And that's pretty much it. You can also sell referral stocks after 30 days to withdraw proceeds. If you have any questions, share below, like and subscribe and ring the bell. See you next time.